In this video, I'm gonna give you 3 healthy juice recipes and do a review of this TEC masticating juicer. If you're new to juicing, so am I, so come with me on this journey. We're gonna figure it out together, and I'm so excited to show you how to use this juicer. Hey, my name is Nicole, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you're the first to see my videos when they come out. You guys, I just got this juicer. I'm so excited. I've been making juicer in my blender, which actually works pretty well, but it doesn't get out all the pulp. You either have to drink it or use like a fine mesh strainer to get it all out. And I've been dreaming of the day when I get a juicer, and that day has come. It's taken me a long time to get a juicer because I've kind of been intimidated by them. I feel like they're really big and there are a lot of parts, and it's just a lot of hassle to take it out, put it together, and clean it all up, all for 1 cup of juice. But what I really like about this one is that it's so small. It's very lightweight, and there's only a few parts that you have to put together and clean. I also love that it's white because it's very clean and goes with everything else in my kitchen. I'm gonna be putting a link to where you can get this juicer in the description box below, and they were so nice to give me a coupon code so that you can get a discount if you decide to get one of these juicers. So putting it together is really simple. This right here is our base. This has our motor in it, and like I said, it's so lightweight. Then we're gonna take our juice bowl, which is this part right here, and it's very simple. We're just gonna push it in and snap it on to lock into place. This part is the auger. I think I'm saying that right. These blades rotate slowly, which break down the produce. We're just gonna push this into the juicer until we hear it click. Now we're gonna take this fine strainer, which separates the pulp from the juice, and slip it in around the auger with the lip facing the bottom. Now we're gonna take this schnazzy piece and just lock it into place until we hear it click. Then we have this container, which sits right underneath the cap, and that's gonna collect all of the waste. And then finally, our juice container, which we're gonna stick right underneath for all the juice to go into. Okay, sweet, our juicer is all put together. All we have to do now is plug it in and turn it on. There are 3 buttons on this juicer. The top one is the power that will turn the motor on. The middle one is the stop. If you push that, the motor will stop. And the R is for reverse. So the reverse is when you're all done making your juice. If you press that, it will reverse the direction of the blades and push out any of the waste that might get stuck. And that just makes it easier to clean. Oh, and then I almost forgot about this piece. This is the little pusher that you put in here to help push all the ingredients down. All right, are we ready to make some juice? Woo! Let's go. The first juice we're gonna make is a green juice. This is one of my all-time favorites. I drink it almost every morning, and it's so yummy. For this juice, we're gonna need 4 cups of spinach, 2 stalks of celery, half of a cucumber, a 1-inch chunk of ginger, half of a lemon peeled, and 1 apple. This juice has 5 carrot sticks, 1 orange, 1 apple, 1-inch chunk of ginger, and half of a lemon peeled. This beet juice has 1 red beet, 1 cup of strawberries sliced, and 1 cup of blueberries. These are so good. I'm officially a juicing fan. I hope you like these juice recipes and maybe this video inspired you to start juicing. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what some of your favorite types of juice are, or any other kind of juice you want to see me make. I have a feeling I'm going to be making a lot more videos of juice because I'm in love with this machine. If you want to check this machine out too, remember I have the link in the description box below and a coupon code for you. Thank you so much for watching this video and for supporting my channel. It means so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye.